Lactate oxidase biosensors. Lactate oxidase biosensors are those biosensors in which the enzyme lactate oxidase is used as biological recognition element. The enzyme lactate oxidase basically use lactate as a substrate and convert it into pyruvate in the presence of dissolved oxygen. It forms hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a electrochemically active species. लैक्टेट ऑक्सीडेज की डिटर्मिनेशन के लिए वही टेक्निक इस्तेमाल की जाती हैं जो कि दूसरे ऑक्सीडो रिडक्टेज एंजाइम्स या रेडॉक्स एंजाइम्स के लिए इस्तेमाल की जाती हैं. एंड द साइड प्रोडक्ट इज डिटर्मिन्ड एंड देन इट इज रिलेटेड टू द बायोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटी of the enzyme and the lactate concentration. Lactate oxidase is a globular protein. It is obtained from different bacterial sources such as Pediococcus, Eriococcus, and Mycobacterium. Lactate detection and quantification plays a vital role in healthcare, especially in conditions hemorrhage, sepsis, tissue hypoxia, and respiratory failure. Lactate oxidase is a large protein, and this protein is very important for the clinical and diagnostics. The baseline level for the lactate oxidase is 0.5 to 1.5 millimole per liter at the rest stage. Lactate oxidase is important in sports medicine, shock, trauma, continuous surveillance of surgery, and it is also very important for food industry. There are different methods for the estimations of lactate oxidase. In these methods, we basically measure the hydrogen peroxide by using different types of organic molecules, and these molecules produce a colored product. For example, one of the methods utilizes 4-amino-phenazone, in which the combination or the reaction between the hydrogen peroxide and the dye produced another color. There are different types of biosensors are reported which uses lactate oxidase, and these biosensors including nanomaterial based biosensors, they have used gold nanoparticles, different types of nanoparticles including gold nanoparticle, silver, zinc, and other types of nanoparticle. Different types of sol gels are also used for the production of lactate oxidase biosensors. For example, sol gel. Membrane based biosensors contained cellulose acetate. The screen printed electrode contains carbon nanotubes and other materials, while the biosensors which are based on hydrogels contain a variety of hydrogels made up of chitosan hydrogels and other materials. The lactate oxidase biosensors are also produced using different types of polymers. There are two types of polymers which are used in lactate oxidase biosensor. One is the conducting polymer and the other is the non-conducting polymer. Chitosan is used among the non-conducting polymers. For the conducting polymer, a variety of organic compounds are used for the lactate oxidase biosensors. Now, you have seen that there is a variety of materials which are used for the production of lactate oxidase biosensor. So, is there any commercial biosensor? Yes, a commercial biosensor for lactate oxidase is reported. This is a simple handheld device and can give the results within 10 seconds. It could be held in a pocket. It gives simple, accurate and reliable results. Basically, ये दरियाफ्त या ये ईजाद स्पोर्ट्समैन के लिए बनाई गई है और इसको अभी तक लेबोरेटरी लेवल पे या डायग्नोस्टिक लेवल पे इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जा रहा. Now, in summary, lactate oxidase is an important enzyme and it is predominantly used for the detection of lactate. Estimation of lactate is very important for our health and it is also very important for the diagnostics. Applications of lactates are found in different fields of life. Recently, a lactate oxidase biosensor is introduced in the market for the sportsmen, and it is getting very popular among the sportsmen.